I hate my life so much. Just kidding. Hello everyone, this is Calliope and today we are going to discuss how to turn your negative thoughts into positive ones. Now first thing, when you get these negative thoughts, you should not ignore them. You should not be like, just brush it aside. You should actually understand that why you are thinking that way. You should acknowledge them. Like, are you going through some issues at work? Does your relationship need some changes? Or are there some issues in your personal life? Now we all have like those sad phases in life where things are not going well. So obviously we are bound to have some negative thoughts. We get worried. So it's all right. But sometimes these negative thoughts are useful because you actually come to know where the problem lies. So supposingly your finances are not in good condition. So you want to improve them in order to improve your lifestyle. So obviously these negative thoughts are because you are worried about it and you want to do something about it. So whether you need to change your job or you need to maybe take up a part-time job, or whether you want to do some business, so in order to actually improve your finances, you can make a 6 month to 1 year plan and you can work on it. You can make on a piece of paper, or whatever planning you want to do, and you can make a proper plan and then work on it, and make sure that you don't spend too much and you need to save more, or what you need to do. So you would know it better, and then slowly you would see that your finances are improving if you're actually sticking to the plan. So sometimes these negative thoughts might be temporary, but sometimes there might be really a core issue to it. Like, why are you constantly unhappy? Why are you getting these negative thoughts? For example, like if you are not having a good relationship, and every relationship that you are in is not working out, so you get worried, you start blaming yourself and you feel, why is it not working out? Is it just me? Don't I deserve some love? You start blaming yourself. So this has happened because it has built up. You're seeing a pattern and maybe you did not think about it before, and now because it's you, suddenly you get that jolt, you feel like, oh, why is it it's not working out? So it might be at the back of your mind, but now you are actually acknowledging it and you are addressing it. That's good. um, so you can work on it. You can understand it, whether it is your fault or whether things are not working out, whether it is your partner's fault. What is it that you are doing wrong that is affecting your relationships? Sometimes the core issue might be really different. It can be because of years of dealing with really negative people around you. Like maybe you have negative parents who are constantly saying things which are really negative all the time. You don't deserve this education, you don't deserve this job, you don't deserve a good man. So that can really affect you for a long time, without you even realizing it. Because come on, you want the people close to you, like your family and friends and everyone, to actually support you and not constantly put you down. And even if you try to shrug it off, no, it will affect you, because dealing with so much of negative vibes is going to actually affect you, how much ever you are a positive person. So in that case, you should confront these people, or kindly just tell them in a nice way that please stop it, it is affecting me, and how dare you, I'll show you what I can do. Or you can just get rid of them if it's possible. Sometimes you have to do that, like it's always good to surround yourself with positive people and try to think of happy thoughts. Try to be grateful for what you have right now, and if you're not happy with something, then you can try to improve that aspect of your life. You don't have to like sulk about it and just think negatively. You have to actually work on it, but constantly if you're unhappy, constantly if you're thinking I'm like this, I'm like that, it's not going to help you in any way. Do not compare your life with others. Please focus on your life and how you can improve your life in whatever way you can, and just stay happy and stay positive. If you're not happy in some situation, try to change it. Try to move. Get out of it. When you think positively, when you're grateful for everything in life, and when you try to uh, focus on the good things in life, try to improve your life in whatever way you can, you will automatically be happy and stay positive. I hope this video helps you in some way, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know what do you think about it, whether you want to share any thoughts about it, and subscribe guys. I still need a lot of subscribers. Share it with your friends, and until next time, it's goodbye from me. Take care.